Welcome to Changes for a Lifetime. I'd like for you to do me a favor, subscribe, share, thumbs up. I know you're going to get something out of this video. So let's move forward. Today I'm going to show you all my core ingredients that I use when making a smoothie. So let's start with hazelnut milk. So I made this from scratch. You can click the link above to see how I did that. This is 2 cups. Isn't that beautiful? You can make it too. And lettuce from the garden. Butter crunch and kale. A lot. So we start with the things that are harder to break down. Okay. Mix it up, blend it up. That's good enough for now. The next big things are banana. I don't use a whole banana, just a half a banana. That's enough sugar for me. Normally when I was growing up, I always peeled the banana from the top. Later in life, I found out you peel it from the bottom. It does work better. So to stock up on bananas, you can do them like this and freeze them. Put them in a plastic container and freeze them. It makes the smoothie much colder, frothier. I like it. I'm going to cut it up and put it in this reusable yellow bag and put it in the freezer. The next ingredient is blueberries. Antioxidant, great flavor, half a cup. I always use this protein powder. Every smoothie I make. Definitely protein powder, fruit, and vegetables. I get this from Fruitful Yield. I think it's $25, $23 to $25. 1 scoop. Let's blend. Okay, the next ingredient is hemp seeds. I take it for the protein and the omega-3 and 6s. They recommend a serving size is 3 tablespoons. That's about all that I have left in this bag. Oh. I get it from Trader Joe's. The next ingredient is maca powder. So I had to print this out so that I wouldn't forget any of its benefits. It says it increases energy, better stamina, stress reliever, increases libido, balances hormones, which we need, women anyway, regulates the thyroid, improves fertility for those trying to bear children, reduces depression, PMS, menopause, and enhances memory, which we need. So maca powder is helpful for all ages. Okay, 1 teaspoon, it's the recommended amount. And that's what I'm going to do. Ingredient is flax seeds. It says it's good for digestion, lowering cholesterol levels, manages some cancers, breast cancer included, weight management. Adding flaxseed to your smoothie makes you feel fuller because of its fiber, and it improves insulin sensitivity. So I put 2 tablespoons of flaxseed in. And I ground up the flax seeds, not just the seeds. I put ground flax seeds in. I don't particularly care for seeds in my smoothie. I can never get them ground up enough. But it's also recommended ground flaxseed, not just the seeds. Okay, and our last ingredient, it's called Moringa powder. And I got this from the medical news today, and its benefits are a lot. Protecting and nourishing skin and hair, treating edema, which is a painful condition where fluid builds up in specific tissues in the body. The anti-inflammatory properties of moringa may be effective in preventing edema from developing. Protecting the liver, treats stomach complaints. Moringa extracts might help treat some stomach disorders such as constipation, ulcers. The antibiotic and antibacterial properties of moringa may help inhibit the growth of various pathogens, and its high in vitamin B content helps with digestion. Fights against bacterial diseases, salmonella, one of them, E. coli, makes the bones healthier, helps wounds heal, treats diabetes, treating asthma, protects against kidney disorders, reduces high blood pressure, improves eye health. You need to put this in your diet. Take it every day. I think that's it, yes. So it only recommends 1 teaspoon. So that's what we're going to do. It doesn't have a flavor. Not to me anyway. You gotta try and see for yourself. I get this from Amazon. The brand is called OMG Organic Moringa Powder. And then we're going to blend it. Okay. If you like, you can put ice in your glass to chill it up some. Gotta taste it first to see if I need to add anything else, like fruit. It could be a little sweeter. So I'll probably add a quarter more banana, and that should do it. So I hope that this has helped you add something different to your smoothie, or at least start you to making them. Peace and blessings. Have a wonderful day. Subscribe, like, and share. Changes for a lifetime that you can use. I want you to start using this in your life.